Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how I generate $145,267 in eBay sale just last year using real data from my seller dashboard. This is not motivation and theory, this is real breakdown of what worked and what did not. First, I want to be clear, these are sale numbers, not profit. My account is currently on vacation mode, so today sales are zero. What matter is the system I built before taking a break. Here you will see the total sales for the last year, 1,45,267. This came from consistent listing, not one lucky product. You can see here $1,45,267. This is the biggest reason these sales happened. My seller level is top rated, defect rate is 0%, late shipment rate 0%, tracking uploaded on time is over 96%. When seller health is strong, eBay pushes your listing more. I focus on listings that already have demand. Clear title, correct quantity, simple image and accurate description. No keyword stuffing, no confusion. Hundred of thousands of impressions don't matter if conversion is bad. I focus on buyer trust, and that's what turned views into sales. If you are starting from zero, don't aim for big number. First aim for zero late shipment, clear listing, good feedbacks. Sale come after discipline. This did not happen overnight. It's the result of showing up consistently and protecting seller health. If you want more real eBay videos, real dashboard, real number, real strategies, subscribe to the channel.